everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make green plantain fufu or unripe plantain fufu. Unripe plantain fufu is a swallow that you can use to eat all Nigerian soup such as egusi soup, ogbono soup, okra soup, vegetable soup, odik. I can go on and on and on. It is so versatile. You can even use it to eat any soup of your choice apart from Nigerian soup. What I love about green plantain, not only can you use it to make fufu, you can also use it to make plantain porridge, plantain chips. You can even roast it in the oven, roast it in your charcoal. It is so versatile. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make plantain fufu. If you're interested, please keep watching. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, hit that button and subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. To make the plantain fufu, I have 4 green plantain, wash and clean. Please wash your plantain before peeling. I did that off camera to save time. Next, trim off the head and the bottom, throw that in the bin. Then cut the plantain into 3 pieces. After that, cut the plantain and peel off the skin. You can use the knife to peel off the skin of the plantain, or you can use your hands. Green plantain is a bit hard, so you might find it tricky to peel off the skin when peeling off the skin. To make it easy, you can cut the plantain 3 or 4 places for easy peeling. Please give this video a thumbs up and also leave your comment. I would love to know how you like to make your green plantain. Do you like to use it to make plantain fufu, or do you like to boil it, roast it, use it to make plantain chips? I would like to know that in the comment section. And also do not forget to share this video. You can share this video with your friends and family or share in your social media. I really appreciate that. And if you've not subscribed, hit that button and subscribe. After peeling, next step is to cut the plantain into small pieces for easy blending. If you don't cut your plantain into small pieces, when blending, you might find yourself adding too much water. To stop that from happening, it's best to cut the plantain into small pieces. After cutting the plantain, next transfer into a blender. After that, add a little water. Please do not add too much water, as I said before, just enough to blend. Cover the blender and blend until smooth. You want to blend until smooth because with this plantain fufu, you need a very smooth consistency. So you want to blend it until it is smooth. Did you see that? Very smooth consistency. That's what you want. So you need a good blender for that. Next step is to transfer to a clean pot. And I'm using non-stick pot. To make plantain fufu in the hot stove or gas, it's best that you use a non-stick pot. You can also use other pot, but the best pot is a non-stick pot. Transfer to a medium heat and stir. I rinse my blender, then add it and also mix together until it's well combined. You can see the consistency is not runny, so you don't want to add too much water when you're blending, because this is plantain fufu. So if it's too watery, you might find your fufu very, very soft, and it's not nice when your fufu is too soft. So depending on how you like your fufu, some people like it very hard, some people like it medium, and some people like it very, very soft. So, but I like it right in the middle, so I don't want to add too much water when I'm blending. So while you're stirring the plantain fufu, you're going to notice that it begins to have lumps. Don't worry, keep stirring and keep stirring. By the time you keep stirring for at least 10, it takes between 15 to 20 minutes to make the plantain fufu in the gas, if you're using gas or cooker. So keep stirring and stirring, and you notice that the plantain fufu will start changing color, giving you a light yellow color. That's a sign that it's cooking, and the lumps will gradually disappear. But you have to keep stirring. It's not something that you want to walk away from. So with this, you need a little bit energy to stir. After stirring the plantain fufu continuously for at least 15 minutes, you're going to get something like this. As you can see, the plantain fufu is coming together, it's forming a dough, it's becoming very, very slimy, but it is not done yet. So this is a sign that it's cooking, but it is not done. So you have to keep stirring and stirring for another 3 minutes. At this point, scrape the wooden spoon, add some water to the plantain fufu. After that, cover the pot with the lid and allow the plantain fufu to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes in a medium heat, so that the plantain fufu will cook really well. After 3 minutes, open the pot and continue stirring. Stir for at least 2 minutes. Stir for another 2 minutes continuously. As you can see, the plantain fufu, it is smooth, slimy, it's coming together, and it's well cooked. That's another one. You have to make sure that your fufu is well cooked, because you don't want undercooked fufu. That's why you have to cover it to steam or cook for another 2 minutes, and there's no lumps. That's number one. You have to make sure there's no lumps in your fufu. Look at that. By this time, your soup should be ready. So this is how to make plantain fufu in the cooker. Let's move on to method 2. But before that, use the scraper and scoop out your plantain fufu. Wrap in a clean film or wrap in a food bag. To keep it more warmer, you can also wrap in a foil paper and keep until you're ready to eat. But one thing I want to let you know is that the more the plantain fufu gets colder, it becomes harder. Method 2. Transfer the plantain into the blender, add some water as we did before, and blend until smooth. If you're finding it difficult to blend, you can shake the blender and put back and blend. Avoid adding too much water. It's best to shake the blender instead of adding too much water. Please blend until smooth. You need a very smooth consistency. After blending, this is what you're going to get, a very, very smooth consistency. Did you see that? Not watery, not too thick. Next, transfer to a clean bowl. At this point, I rinse my blender, then add and mix together. Depending on how you want your plantain fufu, if you want it harder, do not add water, just leave it the way it is now. But if you want it medium, you need to add more water. Then if you want it softer, then you need to add more water. After adding the amount of the water that you want, depending on the consistency you're going for, next mix together until it's well combined. As you can see, the consistency is not too watery and it's not too thick. It's right in the middle, because I'm going for a medium hard, not hard. So next, transfer to the microwave. After placing your plantain fufu into the microwave, cover the plantain fufu, but I don't like to cover mine, I just leave it the way it is. Cover the microwave and put it on for 3 minutes, depending on the microwave you use. After 3 minutes, open the microwave and bring out the plantain fufu and give it a very good mix or a very good stir. You can see it is not ready, it's halfway done. So you can see some part of the plantain fufu is more yellow in color, while the other one is lighter in color. So it's not cooked enough, it's not ready. So after giving it a good stir, making sure it is well mixed and combined, transfer again back to the microwave for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, in total 5 minutes, it's still not ready. I still give it a very good stir, mix it together until it's well combined. When I'm making my plantain fufu in the microwave, I don't like to just put 10 minutes or whatever. I like to do it minute by minute, mix it together to be on a safe side. So mix it together now, it's almost ready. Place it back in the microwave another 1 minute. After 1 minute, hula, it's ready. So you can see, ready. So at this time or at this point, you want to give it a very good stir, mix it together. So you can see how slimy it is as well. This is the microwave method. For me, I prefer the microwave method. When I'm making plantain fufu, I make mine in the microwave. Less mess, less stirring. I don't need too much energy. If you compare this with the cooker method, this is very easy and less mess. You don't need to wash any pots. By the time you're done, just scrape the bowl and wrap your plantain fufu in a clean film or a food bag and keep it until you're ready to eat. Very easy to make plantain fufu in the microwave. So please let me know, which method did you prefer? Do you prefer the cooker methods or do you prefer the microwave method? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. And if it's your first time here, you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. You'll be the first to get it. And with this plantain fufu, as I said earlier on, you can eat it with any soup of your choice. And one thing I love about plantain fufu is that it's high in fiber. Very high in fiber. So if you're watching your weight, this is the best swallow for you, because the fiber in the plantain fufu is going to keep you full for a longer time, making you eat lesser. Then you start losing weight or you start shedding that fat. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Please hit that button and subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.